I work at MathWorks, and I've been there about 16 years now. Excuse me. MathWorks is actually, how many of you are familiar with MATLAB and Simulink? Great, all right, almost everyone. How many actually are using MATLAB and Simulink these days? Okay, good, good. We have about 3 million users worldwide. So although a portion of you that said you knew about MATLAB and Simulink raised your hand, actually probably about all of you have access to it, and you just may not realize it at your companies. We have site-wide licenses now at many companies that you may not be aware of. I just wanted to give you a quick shout out on that. And also, you're probably aware of, we've been a part of the Embedded Vision Alliance since its beginning in 2011. You're probably well aware of our image processing tools and our computer vision tools, but we also have tools for artificial intelligence, for machine learning, for old school statistics stuff, principal components analysis, things like that. And so we've been, and even neural networks, we've had a neural networks product since 1993. So we've seen a lot of different customers doing a lot of different applications in AI. Yes, we have customers in the automated driving space, but many other spaces. And I'm gonna pull on stories from many of these other places as I'm describing what we perceive as some of the key challenges.